What's going on YouTube, EaseUS right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock the screen passcode on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch if you forgot it, using a program called EaseUS Mobile Unlock, which is available here on the EaseUS.com website, and of course it supports iOS 15 as well. Now there is a free trial for this program available for Windows only. There doesn't seem to be any macOS version, and it does support multiple scenarios. For example, if your device is locked with a 4-digit code, 6-digit code, Touch ID, Face ID, all of those are supported. It even supports bypassing the screen time, unlocking the Apple ID, removing the iTunes backup encryption, and so on. But we're going to take a look at the unlock screen passcode in this video. So once you download the program and install it, it looks like this. It has a couple of options here, you choose what you need. For the unlock screen passcode, you press over here. Now as you can see, it automatically detected the fact that this is an iPod Touch 6th generation, and of course we can remove the passcode in here. Now I'm going to test this on my iPod Touch 6th generation running 12 point something, because for this device I have legitimately forgotten the passcode since it was so long ago that I used it and it's been powered off for quite some time. So once the device is connected, I'm going to press start over here, and as you can see it says confirm the device model and download iOS firmware. So yes, iPod Touch 6th generation, and the firmware that is going to download is 12.5.5. That's of course in my case. In your case your device might be different and it will have iOS 15 or it will have iOS 9 and whatever. It depends on the device you have. Now if you do have already the IPSW, you can select it from here and you would be able to use it already if you have it downloaded. But if you don't, the program can handle that for you. So I'm going to press next in here. It's going to start the download and verification process for the firmware. Now as you can see, it's going to download over 2.63 gigs of files. So that's going to take some time to download, and I'm going to be right back once it completes. Now this step is important because this one downloads the iOS firmware and is going to restore it from scratch to your device. This will, however, remove everything on the device. It will basically erase the data on the device, and everything that is not backed up to your computer already or the iCloud will be removed. However, the passcode will be also reset. I'm going to be right back once this completes, and we're going to continue the process. Alright, so after the download is complete, starts the verification process, which ensures that whatever you downloaded is actually not corrupted and can be restored, because a corrupted firmware will definitely break your device, at least temporarily. So yeah, everything seems to be okay in here. It says firmware verification completed, and now we can press unlock now. Now it's important to mention, do not disconnect your device during any of these procedures because you can mess up the device. I'm gonna press unlock now here, and it says warning, quick unlock operation will erase all the data on your device. If you associate an Apple ID on your device and turn on the Find My iPhone setting item, you must enter the corresponding Apple ID after unlocking the password. So basically what they are saying is that this is going to reset everything on your device, and if your device has Find My iPhone enabled, you will be asked to sign in with your Apple ID and password on your device. The device will ask you for this information before it will let you set up the device again. So if you don't remember your Apple ID and your password, your device will be stuck on the activation screen. So do keep that in mind. Alright, so we have to type these in here in order to confirm that we want to do that, and we press unlock over here. At this point the procedure starts and there is basically no way back. Do not disconnect your device and wait for the program to complete. It says in here remove screen lock and remove lock screen passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Yes, all of them will be reset at this point. The device will reboot, and it already reboots. As you can hear from the computer, it already detected the fact that the phone rebooted and reconnected itself. It's normal to hear the USB connected or disconnected sound a couple of times while the device is doing this. It will reboot several times and it will show the progress bar increasing, and that's actually perfectly normal. Just do not disconnect your device. Now I'm gonna warn you, this process can take up to 10 minutes or so because it has to restore quite a lot of files on the device, so do not disconnect the device and make sure it has enough battery before you start doing this. I'm actually going to wait for this to complete, and I'm gonna be right back once it completes because this can take indeed a little bit of time. Alright, so after a couple of minutes it says unlocking successful. It will take a few minutes to restart your device. After your device restarts, you'll see the hello in many languages. Yes, that's basically the setup screen, which is indeed normal. You're going to have to reconfigure your device, select the country, select the language, select the Wi-Fi network, and then of course if Find My iPhone is enabled, you will have to sign into your iCloud account. But after after that, you can set up a brand new passcode, and I'm going to show you that in a couple of seconds after the device boots. Now, it's important to mention that it's still going to show this progress bar over here a couple more minutes after this program says unlocking successful. That's normal, just wait for the device to say hello on the screen. I'm gonna press OK here, and we can close this program at this point. And yeah, we're basically waiting for the device to boot. So yeah, if you want the program, definitely check it out on the EaseUS.com, and it's basically EaseUS Mobile Unlock here. Supports iOS 15 as well, supports iOS 14, and even the latest devices like the iPhone 13, the iPhone 12, iPhone 11, and so on. So definitely check out their free trial for Windows. Alright, so as you can see, the device is now activating. This one was not locked on iCloud, so it directly goes to the activation, and as you can see, it says data privacy over here. We press continue, and of course now we can set a brand new passcode. The old one was reset. Now if iCloud was turned on, you would have been asked to sign in first. I'm gonna go here to passcode options and just don't use a passcode for the moment. We can basically set up this device as normal, agree with the conditions, press continue over there, press continue here, and that's it. Continue over here again, don't share, and get started. And as you can see, the device now works. You can open applications and all that stuff. So that's how you use this program. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and check the program out in the link below. Peace out.